Hello everybody! Ayan, nababalik naman tayo sa panibagong episode natin. And sa previous episode natin, nag-mine tayo ng just enough of copper tapos iron. And today, siguro pa tayo, dagdag pa tayo ng iron and copper kasi parang may nakita ko, di ba? Sa previous video natin, may nakita ko parang siyang rune or block ata yun. So that's why tayo, mag-ready tayo mga panibagong material. So dito may parang akong iron, may full stack ako, pati ito yung raw copper natin, which is really useful na rin. And I love it. So that's why tayo let's go ahead and smelt them all. Actually, pwede ko silang i-compact. Parang sila? Parang i-compile mo kasi para ma-save din tama dito. Compact raw iron, smelt to save 4 times the fuel. So, it's really good na rin compared sa isa-isay mo lang. Pero you won't get any experience. Yung experience. Actually, okay na rin yan. Sige, go na yan. Pero ang problema talaga is kailangan ko ng experience for enchantments. And that will be the bad reason why I don't gain any experience. But it's okay. Sige, ismala natin to. Tapos let's dig deeper down and then mag-gather pa tayo ng lots of copper and iron. So habang nagma-mine tayo, pwede ko na rin after natin makuha yung iron or iron and copper, siguro ma-upgrade din siya into steel ingots. So para ma-craft yung steel ingots is kailangan mo ng compact na compact na iron and then compact na copper ingots. So kailangan dalawa yan. So that's why for today's video, mag-farm ulit tayo ng copper and iron. Like a lot. Marami. So yun yung goal natin for today's episode. Kasi importante talaga yung dalawang materials na yun so that makaproceed tayo sa bagong gears like weapon. Weapon na naman. I don't think kung mayroong armor. Meron ba? Search natin steel. Ayala, Stewie. Ayun. Ito siya. Ayan. So yung steel ingot, sabi compact copper, compact iron. So yun, nakita ko lang yan siya. So nakita ko to, nung nag-research ako. And ayun, kailangan niya ng compact iron ng ingots, tapos kailangan ng steel rod. So in order to make steel rod, 3 bar pa. So, pag ni-craft yan, meron kang 2. So that would be, kung imamath natin, let's see, kung ilan ba to? Ito kasi redwood eh. Hindi natin alam kung saan galing mo ako yung redwood. Parang siyang special stick, ganun. Pero ito yung axe na to is Decapitator 1. So, parang, I think, yung pag isang slice mo lang, pag isang mo lang pindot, tanggal lahat. Parang ganun. So, it's really useful. So, I think goal natin muna for today is gather ng maraming iron and copper. So, lagyan natin dito. Actually, gawin ko siyang compact yung coal. Gawin natin compact para save sa fuel yun. Actually, dalawa mas maganda. Pagsabay natin. Okay, I think that's enough. Sige, lagyan natin yan dyan. Ito. Compact raw iron. Ay, hala, mali. Ito, copper. Yan. Hindi ko na siya kinompact kasi para kailangan ko kasi talaga ng experience kasi there's no choice. I really need it. Nakita yung dalawang fuel dyan. I think mas melt na yan. Pwede na yun. Okay. Iset aside natin itong dalawa. Mga weapons na dyan. Yan. Lagay natin lahat dito. Tsaka let's continue to mine. Continue tayo mag-mine. Okay. Okay. As you can see, inactivated ko pala yung yung system na yung option na days played. So as you can see in Minecraft days, like 1 week na tayo. And then coordination. So bababa tayo sa 16 kasi doon yung nagkakaroon ng iron. So ano ba 'tong grabing sikip? Okay. Grabe sikip. Wait lang nga, explain ko nga to. Grabe, no? Sobrang sikip. Wow. Sana all masikip. So I think in a further episode, mag-ano na tayo, explore na tayo in every place. Pero I need to, nice one. I need to like gear up muna. Like upgradein yung armor natin kasi kailangan ko na talagang baguhin yung armor ko and also my weapons. Importante kasi when exploring. Kasi itong mod na to, grabe brutal. Okay. Baba tayo. Nasa 20, dito tayo. So, let's stay here. Yan. Let's mine here, siguro. Siguro mga 11 or 16. Ayoko na bumaba eh. Kailangan ko na ng steel pickaxe. Kasi tingnan nyo itong kailangan niya ng steel pickaxe. So, what the freak? I got teleported, bro. Medyo talaga yung FPS ko ngayon. Naghihingalo nga. So, I think 11, okay. Hindi. 16 talaga eh. Mas maganda kasi 16. Let's try mining down here. Saan ba yung way out natin? So, dito. What if ito tayo mag-start? Oh, aray ko! Pasensya na talaga sa FPS, my brothers. Okay, basag. May stone ako dito na hammer. Ito muna gamitin natin. Ay, hindi ako naglalagay ng torch. Magaspan na naman to ng mga monsters. Okay, bilisan na natin. Paldo. My gold! Gold! Yun o. Sarap po. Ayun na, may sulfur. Nakita ko na pala kanina yan. So, kailangan to ng diamond pickaxe. Which is not good. I need a better iron. I need irons. Give me irons. Please, give me irons. I want iron. I can't just give them irons, bro. They're not giving us irons. What are they doing? Please. Oh my days. Hey, give na pala to. Ay wait, nakapunta na pala ako dito. Hindi ko lang pala ito inasikaso. Oh, yun na! Ano yan? Ha? Ano yun? Baby na creeper? Ngayon ko, what? That, ha? They exist? Ha? Wow, I've never seen those creepers before. Hey, that didn't exist in Minecraft universe, bro. In mods, of course. Of course it exists. What the hell am I saying, bro? Uy, ang dami, sarap. Yummy iron. Sarap, oh. Ano ba? Meron man ba? Ay, nako! Huwag kayong ganyan. Maawa kayo sa FPS ko, bro. Let me play peacefully. Ano yan? Pitara.
Baba Bowie.
Yuy, tara. Ay, wag po. Don't want to die yet, bro. Uy! Na! May nahanap akong crystal. Jackpot. Wala, I'm thirsty. Ay, ano ba yan? Stop doing that, bro. Stop lagging. Let's get like enough iron. Or like, I ignored coppers. Sorry. May skeleton. My ancestors. Wait, chonggalo. Ito pala. Come to Papa. Oh no, this is a zombie. Imagine I just got shot by ano. Okay. Good. Gagi, daming iron. Wait lang, parang may na-skip na ako maraming iron na. Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, nasan ba yun? Nasan ba yun? No, hindi to iron, copper yan. Pero okay, we're gonna gather like maraming iron. Copper. What? Okay, we need lots of iron. Tapos copper. That's our goal. Mining for more copper, more iron, and more copper, and more iron, and lots of iron, and lots of copper. Yo, baba. Give me you. Yo. What the heck, bro? Come to Papa, bro. What the heck? Oy. Give me up. Yun. May lumalakad. May coal. Should I get the coal? I wanna get the coal. It's so good. It's magical to my eyes. Uy, iron. Saan ba yung daanan nito? Wow! A sky star has fallen near you. Okay lang, sige lang. Dude, look at these veins, bro. An ore vein. Dami oh. Nasa Y30 na tayo. Aray ko! Sakit naman pag naglalag. Parang gusto kong i-hammer. Tamad eh. Yun! Ang gusto ko. At itapon natin ang hindi kailangan sa inventory. Oops, back up a little. Alis, alis. Kahit 2 stacks lang ng cobblestone, marami na yung cobblestone dun eh. Granite, alis, granite. Di ko kailangan yan, di ko kailangan yan, di ko kailangan yan. Granite, full stack. Sige, okay na yan, diyan ka na yan. Gatandado. I need you. Granite, umalis ka dyan. Let's save some spaces for copper and iron. Wala akong like bundle or backpack. That's the worst part, but it's okay. Ano yan? Oh, crystal pala yan. Ano ginagawa ko? Dude, I'm thirsty. Like, I need the water now. Am I thirsty? Yes, I am thirsty. Damn! There's an iron here, bro. Piso lang pala. Kala ko naman marami. Niloko tayo. Kasugal mo yan. Okay na? Sige na. Sige na. Let's go down. Wait, parang gusto ko kunin. Let's dig it. What? Oh no, you didn't, bro. Seriously? You need an obsidian pickaxe? How do you craft it? Meron pa gawin yun? I'm not sure kung how do you make some other tools here. Kasi may mga specific kasi na stick. Like yung di ba napakita ko sa inyo yung steel axe, kailangan ng redwood na stick. And di ko alam kung saan makukuha yun. Which is really, I don't know. Kaya siguro mga further episodes explore na tayo. Pero I still need talaga ng more resources. Aray ko, ba't ka naglalag, pare? Awa naman kayo sa sa FPS ko, bro. I need stick, 64. I need full of torches. I need this. Yun. Sarap. Pagka muna dyan. Let's keep exploring kasi we literally need iron tapos copper. Okay, I'm gonna speed up for muna. Maglalaki muna ako. ako kung ano. Block of raw copper. Nice. I think babalik na ako. Ano yun? Chicken zombie. Zombie chicken. Saan ako? I have to go, ano na. Kailangan ko nang bumalik. Pero the problem is, I don't know where to go. Oh no, we're lost. Are we lost? Are we lost? Don't tell me we're lost. Don't tell me we're lost. Okay, we're good. Break tayo doon. Hindi mawala yung text nyo sa baba ko. Pero okay lang. Ito. We need your leather. I'm sorry, but ano yan? What is that, bro? Ano yan? Oh, what the hell? What the hell? You're fast. Hindi ko nakita yung pangalan. Ano yun? Ano siyang mage? Hindi naman nagano yung mage. Lava, oh. Ano do? Aham. May mga ano ba dito? May leather ba? Ay, isa lang. Kailangan din ng 4. May string naman. May string ba? Ito meron. 34. Okay, we need leather. House, where are you? Baboy. Ano yung mga... Where there's no cow. Anyway, balik tayo muna sa mine. And then, prioritize muna natin yung goal natin. Like, we have to gather like a lot of iron and copper. Pero, the problem is, kailangan talaga natin ng i-replenish yung thirst natin. Because we are so cooked. Pag ganitin na kasi yung thirst bar natin. Ay, nako. Okay, so... Oy? Di kinaya yun. Sige lang. Okay, there we go. We got some iron. Uy, huwag ka mag-lag muna pare. Okay, so... After that, hindi mo natin yung Ang weird naman, no? Hindi mo natin gastusin yung mga iron kasi we need a full armor gear. Next level na natin yan. So, di ba this episode, upgrade yung gear natin and then farm more copper and iron. So that's what we're gonna do today. Yes. Okay, so abangan ko kayo sa next episode. For today muna, cut off muna kasi I have like errands muna sa gagawin. So, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next episode. Protzy out, Baboosh. Oh, before I go, make sure you guys slap the subscribe button and click the like button if you guys enjoyed watching this episode. And part 2 will be out soon enough after my part 1. So, okay, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Baboosh, everyone!